And today, guys, we're going to be checking out this 2-in-1 digital microscope. That's right, this microscope has a 4.3-inch color display, digital magnification. It's all plug and play. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi if you choose to, and it takes photos and videos and so much more. So let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down a little bit. We're going to open this up and see exactly what it looks like and what all you're going to get, and we're going to test it out too. I'm going to try to get this open. And everything comes in a very nice storage case, just like that. How cool. Now we will see what's inside. And of course, right on top, you have a nice booklet. This is the exploration manual. This is your instruction manual. And then if we pull the foam off the top, we can see inside. Got a couple of little petri dishes. We have the actual base of the microscope. You also have looks like a little focusing card, and you have your slides. Now you do get pre-loaded slides for you to check out. We're going to look at them all real quick. One is a mosquito. This one is a bee leg. This one is onion skin, and they are all pre-dyed. This is a pine needle, and this is a leaf stomata. So very cool that they give you some things to get you started and to look at. And they all come in a nice storage case. Now there is a cord in here. You do get a USB to USB Type-C cord. And then this is your actual monitor and microscope. Get this opened up. And this is what this looks like up close. You can see your power and your connections are on this side of the monitor. So you just open that little door right there. That's where you hook up your USB-C. This is the LED lit up and the microscope side. And so if you look here, you have this little knurled wheel right here. This is your magnification. So you can change your different magnifications. And it looks like it goes from 10x all the way to 70x. And then you have your focus wheel, which is the orange one. So very cool. Now it does connect quite easily. No plugins required. It's just got these little contact pads. So you just take this and drop it in here just like that. If you look at the base right here, you can see that you can twist this to raise and lower. So if you look at these buttons here, you have your video button because you can take video. You have your camera button so you can take photos. You have your color adjustment. You have your brightness down and brightness up. Very cool. Of course, the centerpiece right here is the light to backlight your slides for you. It's very clean. This is almost like the Apple of microscopes. It looks very, very cool indeed. So we are going to get this fired up and check it out. Also, one thing, if you look off on this side of the monitor, that is where you would put your memory card. It is held in there with a screw so you don't lose it. This is rechargeable, so you don't have to keep it plugged in while you're using it. And you also have controls on the front of the screen as well. I don't know how well you can see those. But basically you have brightness levels with the up and down arrows. You have a digital magnification so you can magnify even further. So even after you twist this and magnify, you also have a digital zoom. You can also take photos and videos by touching the screen as well. And then you have a confirm button and a settings button. So very cool. The sensor is a 1080p sensor, and it is a 2 megapixel camera. So you're going to get some very, very clear images with this, as you will see shortly. You can also use this and connect it to your PC, and you can also connect it to your phone via an app to make looking and recovering those photos and videos so much easier. And the device can hold, with the internal card that it has, 8 gigabytes of data. So very cool indeed. I think what we need to do is we need to, as they say, proof is in the pudding. Let's get this connected. We'll get it charging up, and then we're going to see how it works. All right, guys. So I have everything connected for the app, and you can see what the app looks like right here. So we're going to click on Observe, and I'm doing a screen recording right now so you can kind of see what is on the microscope. The first thing we're going to do is take this mosquito here, and we're going to slide it underneath the microscope. And I will show you what we can do here. So now that we have it under there, of course it's all blurry still, but we can adjust this a little bit. To bring it into focus. And there is our mosquito. I want to hit record on here as well. There we go. Now we are recording on the device. We're recording on my phone and of course on the camera. So you can see this. So like, let's say if you wanted to zoom in on part of this mosquito, like you wanted to like really see it up close, you would switch this to the magnification you want, and then you bring down this back knob right here, get it as close to focus as you can, like so. And now you can see those little hairy mosquito legs and part of his wings. How cool is that? Now we're going to take a look at the different settings on the front up here. You can see that I can dim this light down. I can also make it brighter if I want to. You can change the color. So if you wanted like a blue background, if that gave you a better perspective, green, reds, purples, blues, all the different colors, even greens, like I said. But it gives you many different options because different specimens require different backlighting. And then, of course, we're recording this with the record buttons on the front. Now, I'm going to swap out. And the way that you connect this to your phone is the Wi-Fi connectivity is basically you just connect to the actual device. You'll see the device name under your Wi-Fi settings, and you just connect to that. And that's how you connect to it. We're going to look at a B leg next. Let's pull this out. Set this to the side. We're going to drop our B leg under here. And you can see we're already really close to that B leg. I want to zoom out to get a better perspective of the entire leg. So we have to reduce our magnification. And we can fine tune that focus. And there is our B leg. And you can just gently slide this around. That's where it attaches to the body. You can see all the little hairs that it uses for collecting the pollen. So very cool indeed. And so there, guys, you have it. You have a very easy to use, very capable microscope. And it's going to be great for education. It's going to be great for homeschooling. It's going to be great for bringing to class as well to share with others. It's going to give all the young learners in your home a great insight into the very tiny world that they don't see every day with their common eyes. I like the fact that it's app controlled, so you can just take your screenshots and record your video directly to your phone if you want to. I like all the different brightness settings and the fact that you can also internally do video and photos. They give you the exploration manual here, which has all the different activities and different things that you can observe and look at. So if your little one doesn't know what to look at, they just have to look in the manual and it will give them suggestions and ideas and tell them how to do it. So overall, very nice indeed. It's very well made. I've had no issues whatsoever. It went straight together, very self-explanatory, very easy to use. This is going to bring a whole new world to those learners in your home. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.